sharing my screen. So we'll discuss QM integration.
Okay.
Let me know once you're able to see my screen.
Yeah, I can see.
Okay. Yeah.
Hmm.
So QM integration, like normally, whenever we are receiving stock, right, from
Hmm.
external supplier, and
Okay.
we'll do that quality inspection creation.
Okay.
So this inspection document will be created in EWM.
Hmm.
Corresponding to that inspection document, system will create an inspection lot in S4.
Okay.
So especially like remaining all procedures is same. Like, but what we have to do is like we have to do some config here. Let me go to SPRO.
Okay.
Just show you that, like what are the configs to be done.
Hmm.
So we can do with POSC or without POSC also we can do the quality integration. Okay.
Okay.
So usually people will discuss about with quality integration. Sorry,
Hmm.
with POSC only they'll just tell you that like how QM integration will happen. But
Okay.
very minor changes which we have to do like to make it as without POSC also. Okay.
Hmm.
And there was a node called quality management
Hmm.
under the cross process settings.
Hmm.
Yeah, you can come here and just go to basic and integration. Basics and
Hmm.
integration. Just go to generate inspection object type. So it's an already used system. You will have the IoT inspection object types, but you will have some more inspection object types. If you want to activate, and you can activate those.
Hmm. Hmm.
So right now these two are
The
active.
first configuration.
Yeah. So it's a
Hmm.
generate inspection objective is the first one. Okay, and these are standard
Okay.
only 4 and 5.
Okay. Okay.
And if I'm just coming to here, maintain inspection objective version, right?
Hmm.
So here, if you're looking at right from the drop down, these are the ones which are there.
Okay.
So why these are only there? Like you might have more than this as well. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
So again, system automatically how it was getting this inspection object type is
Hmm. Hmm.
BC set actually. Okay.
Hmm.
SCPR20.
Hmm.
Just go to here and just SCWM slash
Okay.
QM star. Okay.
Okay.
See, quality management. There was an BC set, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
And even decision codes and all this stuff. Like there are like a lot many. So if you're going
Hmm.
inside of this quality management and just here you have to check the display documentation.
Hmm.
You can see all the documentation and here also what you will get to see here.
Okay.
So just expand this and then you'll get all the information. What is the sample
Hmm.
types, engine types, and all this.
Hmm. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
What is the element type and
Hmm.
what are the configurations you will get it like it will show you. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, it's a
Okay.
warehouse number independent and it was saying like warehouse number dependent. So
Dependent
it is
data.
it
Okay.
is a yeah. It like I think these configurations were maintained at a warehouse type actually. Okay.
Hmm.
See wherever that warehouse number also you have to give it like LG is like warehouse number
Okay.
to use this configuration. So like this only and you can check this like whether it is activated or not. This is the activation logs.
Hmm.
There is no there are no activation logs for the selection. Okay. Let me see. Do we have any other? Okay. This is not activated. That's why it is not working. What? Mm. See, you have lot many things like here follow up actions and all these things. But let me see which are activated and which are not. There is no activation logs.
Okay.
Display. So all these are warehouse dependent on configuration. See, if you are looking at there is a warehouse number right for all this, and this is a IoT like four and I know and the stock type is FF. That given some information, and TQF
Hmm.
is the table. Okay. So
Okay.
I think whether that these tables are activated or not, we have to check, and then only we have to proceed actually. So that
Okay.
might be the reason. For me it is not working. I'm just
Hmm.
checking this, but yeah. So you have like 4 5. These are the inspection object types, and if you're looking at right, like whenever you are creating a new version, and
Hmm.
system will create a one more entry here version with version, and
Hmm.
old versions you have to deactivate and new version has to be active. So if I'm selecting
Hmm.
this and just click on new version, system will create
Mm-hmm.
a 6,
Okay.
and that will be shown here as well. There will be one more entry it will create, and
Hmm.
before activate IoT, right? Before versions you can deactivate, and the latest version you have to activate.
Okay.
In real time you will have only one version. Okay.
Oh,
As
okay.
you, why?
Okay.
Because you only activating that, right? That's why. And
Mm-hmm.
these are all the fields where you can use it for maintaining the condition record. Actually, there was an inspection rule concept, like uh,
Hmm.
slash n slash scwm slash qr setup. Yes.
Okay.
So this is the transaction where you will maintain a condition record for the uh, inspection. See,
Mm-hmm.
here you will get to see all the values there.
Okay.
See, inspection group and disposal party, product, business partner,
Hmm.
item
Hmm.
type. So why? Because all these things, like see here, these will be three options. Okay, inspection after goods visit. So when I'm just doing goods visit in EWM only, a system has to generate inspection document.
Hmm.
Okay, and I'm just
Hmm.
keeping that. And
Hmm.
document type I'll give, item type I'll give. Okay, specific to product I will maintain.
Hmm.
Mostly people what they will do, like they will create a quality inspection group. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
and they will maintain the inspection rule for the quality inspection group.
Hmm.
Okay, and this
Hmm.
quality inspection group will be assigned in the metal master somewhere. So what will
Okay.
happen is that system automatically, you can have 10 materials or 15 materials. I don't want to create that many inspection rules. Okay,
Okay.
I'll only create like one inspection rule with the quality inspection group, not with the product.
Hmm.
Then ఈ క్వాలిటీ ఇన్స్పెక్షన్ రూల్ ఎక్కడ ఏ ప్రోడక్ట్ కి అసైన్ చేశారో అట్లాంటి
Hmm.
ఇన్స్పెక్షన్ డాక్యుమెంట్ క్రియేట్ అయిపోతుంది బై డిఫాల్ట్. ఓకే,
Hmm.
ఇప్పుడు అక్కడ కనిపించిన ఫీల్డ్స్ అన్ని ఇక్కడ ఉంటాయి అనమాట. వేర్ ఇస్ దిస్ హియర్, డాక్యుమెంట్ టైప్, ఐటమ్ టైప్, బిజినెస్ పార్ట్నర్, ప్రోడక్ట్. సి అని మీరు అక్కడ
Hmm.
చూసారు కదా, ఇవన్నీ
Hmm.
యా అవి కండిషన్స్ మెయింటైన్ చేయడానికి అనమాట. ఓకే, రైట్ నౌ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు
Hmm.
డిస్కస్ ఓన్లీ దిస్ ఫోర్. ఓకే,
Hmm.
at the inbound delivery level, and this is
Okay.
the warehouse internal. This is so
Hmm.
while creating inbound delivery, system will generate a inspection document and inspection note for us.
Hmm.
So for that, like you have to just activate this IoT, like a particular inspection object type to your warehouse,
Hmm.
and then there are some fields and parameters here. You can
Hmm.
maintain those.
Hmm.
So activate IoT should be there, and
Okay.
change product or batch. If you want to, if you enable this, so you can
Hmm.
change the product or batch at the time of usage decision. Okay,
Okay.
and here also can change the quantity. So you can change the quantity at the time of usage decision. So all these
Mm-hmm.
things will be at the time of utilization. System will need to allow or not allowing. We have to enable right
Hmm.
here. Okay.
Okay.
And here I'm just doing the inspection setup, like with no inspection rule. Why? Because
Hmm.
so I don't want to create any inspection rule now,
Hmm.
because I'm not going with a POSC. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
Process oriented service control. And here
Okay.
GR control, origin of GR is like not relevant. I just kept it. Okay.
Okay.
You can keep it like with the info record or inspection rule, anything, or even not,
Mm-hmm.
not relevant. And just
Hmm.
now I need to go inside of this. See, I
Hmm.
have mentioned like A170,
Hmm.
and this is the inspection object type. And
Hmm.
when the inspection document has to be created is
Hmm.
inspection after goods visit.
Hmm.
Okay, and then here if you
Hmm.
are maintaining that quality inspection group,
Hmm.
okay,
Okay.
then you have to just go with the inspection group. You have to maintain in the metal master or product master.
Hmm.
Then only system will create a
Hmm.
inspection document for you.
Hmm.
And as well as like
Okay.
you have to maintain the same thing in the condition also,
Hmm.
inspection rule also. When you're going with
Hmm.
inspection rule, you will maintain this mostly.
Hmm.
And even not only with that, you can maintain it here, inspection group. So then
Hmm.
what you can do is like uh, you can maintain all those inspection groups in the product master
Okay.
to enter the products into quality. Okay.
Hmm.
And here
Hmm.
the
Hmm.
dependent stock type is quality. Okay. Whenever I did a
Okay.
goods visit, goods visit, immediately system will move the stock to quality.
Okay.
Once my usage duration is done, then it has to be moved to FF, like unrestricted or either
Mm-hmm.
block.
Okay.
So now I have received 10 quantity, and out of it, like two quantities not met my quality,
Hmm.
uh,
Hmm. Hmm. Understood.
quality procedures, or like whatever it is. So quality test results. So I'll keep two quantity in the blocked state, and from there I'll
Okay.
reverse it to the winner. So like reverse it to the supply. Sorry.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay. And
Okay.
here external step is like whenever we are doing POIC,
Hmm.
will maintain an external step here.
Hmm.
So what this external step will do is like it will move the stock to quality work center, then it will be showing there
Hmm.
in
Okay.
POIC. When we are receiving like
Hmm.
doing the goods visit, and
Hmm.
from where we will move it to the quality work center.
Hmm.
And so here you have to mention the external step which you want to perform in the quality work center.
Okay.
So usually it would be like QAS. Some people will maintain that is a standard one. Okay, QAS, quality inspection. It was given
Hmm.
by SP. And
Hmm.
so once the stock is in quality work center,
Hmm.
then you can perform the usage duration, or like accept or reject from there.
Okay.
So here this is the thing, and then you can assign there was an
Hmm.
okay inspection planning. It is nothing inspection rule group.
Okay.
This is not required, but quality inspection group we will create it in the
Hmm.
um, integration with other SAP components. Okay, and you have to
Okay.
maintain follow-up actions here.
Hmm.
So different follow-up actions are not required, as these are the standard ones. Okay, all these are
Hmm.
standard ones. If you want to copy and create new, you can do that.
Okay.
And each and every follow-up action should have
Hmm.
a function model in it.
Okay.
See, there is a function model, and what it
Okay.
will does is like after your user decision, system will move the stock to the respective stock type actually.
Mm-hmm.
And here you have to assign that follow-up action. So under each follow-up action, you have to maintain some record for your warehouse.
Okay.
See, if it is the follow-up action and the object inspection objective is 4, and this is the put away, it will happen with the stock type as FF. Okay.
Okay.
So your QQ stock type, quality stock type will be turns into unrestricted.
Mm-hmm.
This is EWM underscore EA means accept full palette.
Okay. Okay.
See, put away for final store has been, but here
Hmm.
partial quantity. Okay.
Okay.
And you have to maintain this like again, partial quantity only you are maintaining it as FF.
Hmm.
And next, so if you maintain partial quantity as FF, and you will maintain the remaining quantity as blocked, right? So this
Hmm.
is, so here the remaining quantity will be going to block, and this process type is using it like to move it to a block storage type. That's why. Okay.
Okay.
In the same